Next up, next casing, which is this guy, and this one you have to take the speed drive off, worm gear, so that you can bash this guy out. So, hoping, sometimes these stick in, so hoping this will be a easy win. Oi oi oi. Position this better. That's horrendous, that's all dirty. That looks stuck in. Ugh. That's not what I wanted to see. Alright. I'm not entirely sure how that's held in place. I don't even know how it drops out. It can't get out that way. Strange, I've loosened it but it won't come off. It's just more sealant. You can see where my copper thruster washers ended up. There's bits of copper all over the place. All that needs taking out and cleaning up. That's not good. Right. Next up, break this seal off somehow. I think that's part of the kit, at least I hope it is, otherwise I'm going to have to be hunting down one of these. I'm not sure how this is held in either. I don't know if there's a circlip on or not. I think this can knock out. Oh, there. It's a little bit precarious, but there's a hole in this, so I can give it a what for. That's going nowhere. I think it's moved. I don't understand why I can't get that gear out. Give it a little lever. Yeah, I don't get what's holding this in. Strange one. Okay, no idea. I'm just going to keep tapping this, I think it's working. Right, here we go. Hopefully no damage done. Looks okay. Looks okay apart from the dirt I've put on it. Right, good. Does have a bush on there. And that guy as well. 2 pieces. I'll just keep those as they are. Right, good. I just don't know what's holding it in place. Alright, I'll ignore that for now. Let's get this seal off. There you go. On seal. And same again. Circlip setup. Oh yeah. It's out first time. Good. Easy one. I still can't understand why that worm gear's as it is. I'll have a look later on in the instructions if I can find them. Sometimes the cover on here, obviously mine hasn't got one. And it's a case of somehow drifting this thing out. That's going to be interesting. That's tight. There are some little indents to get you punching, but yeah, it's going to be tricky. Right, it's moving. It's definitely going to come out. Alright, I need to prop that on some wood or something to give it a final nod. Come on. Alright, that should do it. I just want to note which way around this came out. So the writing, I never know whether these are symmetrical or not, but the writing goes on the downside. Right, that's that pretty much stripped. Needs a clean out. I'll have a look at that worm gear comes out. I haven't got a clue at the moment. That's that housing done. Another one down. So this is that worm gear, and I had to have a look in the manual to see how it actually came out, and it does press out. It's not necessary to take this, but I'm going to clean this and probably shop blast it. So should just leave her out. And there we go, one drive, and all that needs cleaning up. And the O-ring swapping out, another bit down. Alright, so this is the PTO cover. It definitely needs splitting because there's a bearing race in here, and the only way you're going to get access to that is from this side. It's probably why it's got this cover on. See if I can get that split. I want to make sure it's not held with something daft. Nah. Right, here we go. Ooh, a bit of sludge on there. I keep seeing bits of the copper washer. That is, or used to be, my thrust washer. Oh, right. They just need a clean up. Same with that one. Also my thrust washer. Yeah, you can see the copper in there. Right. And that is another race that needs to be dropped out. It's getting late in the day now, so I'll drop this one out, and then I think I'll call that a day for now. Looks pretty straightforward, this one. Famous last words. It's hard to tell what part is the bearing sometimes and what part's the actual housing. I think that's bearing. Soon find out. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, that's got one of the spacers on. Right, this is where you do your shimming, so I'll have to be careful here. Don't really want to hit the shim, but I don't think I've got an option. Let's see if I can get the edge without doing the shim. Yeah. Just make sure you don't catch the shim and damage that, because you might need it. There we go, another race out. Put all that together and give them a clean up tomorrow or the next couple of days.